Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by ruling out simple failures. First, plug the drive into a different USB port and use another cable, and also test on a second computer so you know if the device or the host is at fault. Once done, open Device Manager and look for unknown devices or errors. Update or uninstall the USB mass storage and controller drivers to force Windows to redetect hardware. This step resolves many recognition problems. Next, verify how the OS sees the flash drive. Open Disk Management and note labels like uninitialized, no media, or raw. That tells you whether partition or hardware issues exist. Then use Disk Part cautiously. List disk, select the device and detail disk to inspect size and status. Do not run clean unless you accept full data loss. If Windows can't access it, boot a Linux Live USB or run the vendor's low-level utility. Sometimes alternate kernels or tools can read failed partitions. Finally, complete the repair or choose recovery. If the drive becomes visible, initialize it, create a partition, format with NTFS or XFAT, and assign a drive letter so you can use it again. If the device still reports no media or 0 bytes despite tests, it's likely hardware failure. Contact warranty support or a professional recovery service if the data matters. One key troubleshooting tip: try a powered USB hub or a different operating system to confirm it isn't a host power or driver problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.